Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to report 401k withdrawal on your tax return. So how you can file and withdraw them. It's very easy as well as it's very important. So before starting this up, you just need to gather your documents. So collect your form 1099R from your retirement account provider, which detail the distribution amount and any taxes withheld. So if you don't know how to get that form, just go to Google here. Let me show you here and type here 1099, right, R form, and just hit the enter, and you will get this official link from the IRS, and you can just get it from here, the current revision, and you will get this updated form from here. Now the second thing is determine the taxable amount. Calculate the taxable portion of your withdrawal if applicable. This depends on whether your contribution were made on the pre-tax or after pre-tax or after tax basis. The third thing is complete the form 1040. Use the form 1040 to report the 401k, right? Same thing, if you don't know how to get your 1040 form, it's very important. Just right here, just go to Google and write here 1040 form, and here you don't need to write R and just hit the enter. You will get this link from directly from the IRS official website. Now enter any federal income tax withheld from your distribution of the line 40 of form 1040. Consider penalties. If you're underage, 59 and a half, and not eligible for an exception, you may own a 20% early withdrawal penalty. Report this penalty on form 5329. Depending on your states, you may need to report the withdrawal on your state tax as well as check your state tax rules, because that is very important. If you have any questions, you can accurately report your 401k withdrawal, or if you need help determining your tax liability, consider consulting a tax professional. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.